Hi everyone.
Hello.
Okay, today we are going to do something with family issue, and the title for this. Can you see this picture? What is the title?
Households and housing.
Household and housing. Okay, to learn more about Singapore families. Okay, there are a few things I would like to ask. What do you mean by 1.39 million?
Means there are 1,390,000 households in 2021.
Okay, household in Singapore. Okay, in this year 2021. Okay, 2021. Can. Okay, next thing I'd like to ask you the next question is what is this thing called 3.15 person?
Means in one house there are three about
About?
there are 3.15.
Okay, it's an average, so maybe we just do a simple exercise see to make us understand a bit more. Okay, right now maybe I'll ask you in our family how many members are there?
4.
Okay, please write down. What about Tapo's family?
4.
Erpo's family?
2.
And Aku's family?
3.
So altogether how many members are there in these four families?
13.
Okay, write down your equation. Okay, there are four families. So on average, one family, how many members are there? Can you do for us? Okay, for 13 people placed in four families, left with one person, need to be divided into four families. However, just now we know that it is 3.15 on the average, right? So now we want to convert everything to decimal, okay? So from fraction, we want to convert to decimal. So, quarter, when we convert to decimal, we want it to be in what our place?
10.
Tenth or
100.
thousandth, okay? So for quarter, it's better to convert to what? Is it tenth, hundredth or thousandth?
100.
Then go ahead, do your working.
Here.
No, continue. This is what you do, okay? 3 and 1/4 is equals to what? Okay, you are a bit too fast, huh? Can you show us the working? This one is times what to get you 3.25. Small working at the side. Okay, so you're a bit, like I say, a bit too fast. Actually it should be 25 pieces of 100, right? Okay, so no need to be so fast, slow down so that people can understand. Okay, so even from our own four families, you realize that on average is 3.25, which is very near to the 3.15, right? So this is very accurate. Okay, now next thing, we want to find the total number of people living in this household. How to find the total number of people? How to find? Just now we have this, we have this, right? How to find the total number of people? Is it a subtraction, addition, multiplication, or division question?
Multiplication.
What multiply by what?
1.39
1.39 million.
multiplied by 3.15.
Okay, so because of this, we haven't learned multiplication of many digit. Okay, so I want to make it a bit easier for you. Now, instead of 1.39 million, it is about how many million? It's called about how many million?
About 1.40.
1.40 million, okay? Or 1.4 million. Now, what about Now we want to do a multiplication, 1.4 million, okay? And then we have 3.15. So I want to do a working 3.15. Just now you say it's a multiplication 1.4.
No, it's 315.
315, yes, 315, okay? We haven't really learned all the decimal multiplication of decimal, but it's okay. We just do those digit 315 and 1.4, okay? 315 and 14. Okay, you do your working first. Okay, now I want us to focus on this 4 because this is the total population, okay, in Singapore staying in this household. This 4 represent about 4,000 over people, 40,000 over people, 400,000 over people, or what? What is this 4 about?
4 million.
You say it's 4 million, but you have to show me your proof. Why do you think that this 4 is referring to 4 million? Why? Explain.
Because here on the left side, the list is 1 million.
Okay, the least you're saying this, the least is 1 million household, yes?
And here the list is 3 million.
3 million?
Three people.
3 people.
In each household.
Okay,
So
so
1 times 3 equals 3.
1 million household times 3 people is at least you have 3 million. Yes, you're right. Then at most, what about at most?
At most this is 2 million.
Okay, at most this is 2 million household. Yes, at
and
most.
This one is 4 people.
Okay, at most you have 4 people. So altogether,
So
at
2
most,
times, at most is 8 million.
yes, 2 million household, at most 4 people at most, so maximum at most is 8 million people.
Yeah.
That's why this 4 has to be about 4 million, right?
Yeah.
So right now, I want you to write down this 4410. Actually, it doesn't mean it's 4,000 over, okay? It's about 4 million over people. Can you write everything in numbers? 4 million over people. Exactly how many people? How do you read this? Can you read for us?
4,410,000.
Yes, very good. But on the other hand, we always heard that Singapore actually got more than 4 million people. You read your books, right, every time? It's about how many million people Singapore?
5.4.
5.4 million, okay. Let's say we have 5 million and 400,000 people in Singapore. Okay, so what is the difference?
1 million.
1 million people. Now we said all these 4 million over people stay in the household. What type of household are they we are referring to?
HDB.
HDB,
Condominium.
condo, yes,
Terrace.
terrace,
Bungalow.
bungalow,
Semi-detached.
okay, semi-D, blah blah blah, okay. Now, on the other hand, fall short of this 1 million people that's not mentioned. This 1 million people likely stay in what type of places?
A dormitory.
Maybe for foreigner dormitory. What else?
And they come here for vacation.
Come for vacation, they stay at hotels, maybe some holiday resort.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is very good. Now, so in short, we have a study on Singapore's family living in different type of household. Okay, to recap, about 4 over million people stay in the household that we study from this table, this information, HDB, condo, terrace, bungalow, semi-D, and there's another 1 million people maybe staying in dormitory, hotel, resort. There's a possibility. Okay, so thanks for your time with all of us. Say thank you to our friends.
Thank you.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye.